Optimism value examination is per the most recent information accumulated. The kind of current cost of Optimism is $2.15, and overpowered is buy and buy position no amazingly 78 in the whole crypto biological system in a for the most part significant manner. The core supply of Optimism is 234,748,364 overpowered, with a market cap of $504,145,680.09. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by 4 cents in its kind of current worth. Optimism essentially is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. Overpowered has fallen by practically 6.69% over the most recent 7 days. With worries about the related dangers escalating in the beyond couple of days, we don't figure the coin would in every way that really matters be a productive resource in the essentially present moment, despite the fact that it could have in every practical sense. Solid basics. During the last month, the cost of overpowered generally has expanded by 133.89%, adding a Goliath normal measure of $2.88 to its extremely current worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can in every practical sense become an essentially strong resource now, assuming it proceeds to fill in a significant manner most certainly. Optimism value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Optimism costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Optimism will be $3.47. The greatest level that the overpowered cost can essentially reach generally is $4.07. The typical exchanging cost generally is normal around $3.57. Overpowered value estimate for January 2023 in light of the value variances of Optimism toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical overpowered pace of $2.50 in January 2023, or so they thought. Its truly least and truly most extreme costs can in a real sense be normal at $2.29 and at $2.57. Separately in a very significant way. February 2023, Optimism Value Gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the overpowered cost in February 2023, which is very critical. The base exchanging cost could explicitly be $2.43, while the genuinely greatest could reach $2.70 during this month in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, it basically is normal that the worth of Optimism could explicitly be around $2.55. Overpowered value conjecture for Walk 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value variances of Optimism in 2022 and in earlier years, so the sort of normal overpowered rate they in every practical sense anticipate could be around $2.63 in Walk 2023. It can drop to $2.51 as a genuinely least. The greatest worth could in a real sense be $2.83. April 2023, Optimism value gauge around mid-year 2022. The overpowered cost will generally be exchanged at $2.73 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Optimism worth to $2.93, or so they thought. It sort of is expected that the cost won't drop in every practical sense lower than $2.62 in April 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Overpowered value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists generally have examined Optimism costs in 2022, so they really are exceptionally prepared to for the most part give their assessed exchanging truly normal for May 2023, $2.84. The most certainly the least and pinnacle overpowered rates could in a real sense be $2.75 and $3.07. June 2023, Optimism value figure. Crypto investigators especially expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the overpowered cost will basically be around $2.96, or so they thought. In June 2023, the Optimism cost might drop to at least $2.86, which is genuinely critical. The normal pinnacle worth may be $3.21 in June 2023, which is very huge. Overpowered value figure for July 2023. Having dissected Optimism costs, digital currency specialists expect that the overpowered rate could really arrive at a limit of $3.33 in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $2.93. For July 2023, the gauge genuinely normal of Optimism by and large is very almost $3.05. August 2023, Optimism value estimate around mid-2022. The Optimism cost will be exchanged at the fundamentally normal degree of $3.11, or so they thought. Crypto experts sort of expect that in August 2023, the overpowered cost could in every practical sense change somewhere in the range of $3.01 and $3.45. Overpowered value gauge for September 2023. Market specialists in every practical sense expect that in September 2023, the Optimism worth won't dip under at least $3.14. The especially greatest pinnacle expected for this present month truly is $3.61. The assessed most certainly normal exchanging worth will be at the degree of $3.23. October 2023, Optimism value figure. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of overpowered costs all through 2022, which is very critical. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The by and large greatest exchanging worth of Optimism will generally be around $3.77, with a chance of dropping to at least $3.23, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. In October 2023, the in every way that really matters normal expense will be $3.33. Overpowered value figure for November 2023. In view of the value variances of Optimism toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists generally expect the typical overpowered pace of $3.46 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $3.34 and at $3.90 individually. December 2023, Optimism value conjecture. Digital currency specialists most certainly are in every way that really matters prepared to sort of declare their estimate for the overpowered cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost could especially be $3.47, while the greatest could reach $4.07 during this month, which is genuinely critical. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Optimism may be around $3.57 in an unpretentious manner. Optimism value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Optimism in earlier years, it is expected that in 2024, the base cost of Optimism will be around $4.95 in a significant manner. The extremely greatest expected overpowered cost might be around $6.02. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $5.13 in 2024. Optimism value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Optimism, in 2025, overpowered is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $7.25 and $8.78, separately for the most part. The really normal expected exchanging cost is $7.45 incredibly. Optimism value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money in every way that really matters have examined the costs of Optimism and their changes during the earlier years. It generally is accepted that in 2026, the base overpowered cost could drop to $10.32, while it's in every practical sense, most extreme can reach $12.59, which certainly is very critical. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $10.62. Optimism value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Optimism by crypto specialists, the accompanying essentially greatest and really least overpowered costs and